Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you're a creator, marketer, or business owner trying to get more free traffic to your website, then this video is for you. Today, let's talk about some numbers that might shock you. Every single day, ChatGPT gets over 122 million users. Claude gets 500,000 more. And Google Gemini pulls in over 35 million visitors. That's a combined total of more than 158 million daily users who are being guided by AI to find content, tools, answers, and websites. And here's the part that probably stings. Most of that traffic is going to other people, not you. Why? Because they know how to get mentioned, discovered, and recommended by these AI tools. But now, so will you. I want to introduce you to a brand new, step-by-step traffic system I've created called the AI Traffic Goldmine, how to get free traffic from ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini. This isn't just another ebook. It's a complete system that shows you exactly how to get your site mentioned and referenced by ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. You'll learn how to use these tools to drive daily visitors directly to your offers, and how to turn just one piece of AI-generated content into 5 or even 10 different traffic sources that bring you visitors 24/7. I'll show you how to build a repeatable, evergreen content engine that grows your traffic automatically, using free tools and specific AI prompts that generate traffic consistently. This is about growing your audience, your leads, your sales, and your income, all without spending a single dime on ads. So, is the AI traffic goldmine for you? Well, if you're tired of constantly fighting the algorithm, if you're done wasting time creating content that no one ever sees, if you want free, consistent, and high-converting traffic, and if you want to grow your business without begging for reach or paying for ads, then this is exactly what you've been looking for. The bottom line is simple. AI is already sending millions of clicks and visitors every single day. You just haven't been shown how to tap into it until now. This guide will change that. So what are you waiting for? Don't let the AI traffic revolution pass you by. This is your chance to leap ahead while everyone else is still guessing. Click the link in the description to get your copy now and start turning ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini into your personal traffic engine today.